All right, friends, let's get started making our very own hands with henna. I'm going to start with a piece of paper that is similar to my skin tone. You'll have several options to choose from, but I chose this piece of paper. You're going to want to start by tracing the shape of your hand about in the center of your paper. Use a pencil for this in case you make any mistakes. Use the hand that you normally draw with to do your drawing. Be very slow and still as you trace. I like to push the pencil right up against my skin to help keep it stable. Great. Now that I have my hand, I'm going to go ahead and extend the lines to make my wrist. I'm going to outline my hand in Sharpie so that it stands out nice. This will also eliminate some of the bumpy lines I might have created while tracing. Now that I've traced my hand, it's time to start adding my beautiful henna designs to my handprint. As you can see, you'll be using one of these papers to look at common designs and what they mean. A Sahasrara is a lotus-like symbol that represents unity, and it's typically seen on the palms of your hands. It looks almost like a flower. Vines and leaves represent strength and longevity. A peacock is the national bird of India, where henna is most common. It is referred to as Mendi there. It represents beauty. Its feathers also bring prosperity. The Om, or this symbol right here in the middle of this circle, is a well-known spiritual symbol that refers to the self and universal spirit. Paisley is a more decorative item found in henna, but it's super common. And then finally, flowers represent beauty and new beginnings. So take a look at this paper for some ideas for what to include in your henna designs. I'm going to start in pencil in case I make any mistakes that I want to erase. Let's get started. And I'm all finished. Here is my finished Henna Hand design. Now, I do still see some pencil lines peeking through, so it might be a good idea to take one of our big erasers and erase any of those pencil lines that are left behind once you are totally finished. Otherwise, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I can't wait to see what awesome designs you come up with, boys and girls. Have fun and happy art making.